What's up, guys? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you here from the auction. Man, we got a ton of cars here for in the morning. Got 1,000 cars. But I wanted to show you guys this old W210 E320 wagon that I found. This is a 1998. 1998 is the first year of the W210 wagon. And this one right here is a Honda trade-in. Look at that, fog lights still work. Got brand new, brand new tires. What are those? Goodyears. Wheels could use a little spiffing up, but this is a clean old car. Well kept. Carpets are nice. Not beat to piss. The headrest, it's got the third row. I do appreciate the previous owner putting cardboard down on top of the carpet. That was a good idea. So look at the carpet. Just a few minor stains, nothing big. We got the third row seat. Leather looks great. This is a nice old wagon. 142,000 miles. That's low, y'all. That is low. No funny smells. Got all the books. It's got a nice aftermarket Bluetooth radio. Sunroof works. Everything works. Got one spot here on the front bumper where they made some contact with something. But other than that, this thing is nice. Let's take it for a drive. This thing is really nice. Yeah, I got a nice little Kenwood aftermarket stereo. Does have a delaminated driver's side outside mirror, and we do have a light bulb that is defective. Let's see, I forget how you can scroll through all this. There we go. Yeah, 142,000 miles. That's nothing for 1998, y'all. It's got ice cold AC. Freezing AC. And you can't beat, it's not my favorite color combination, but you can't beat white on tan. The white paint probably holds up on one of these better than any other color. The black fades and chips away. The silver gets kind of burnt and toasty. This white, it actually is not really even that chalky. I'm real anxious to run a Carfax on this car. I wouldn't be surprised if this is not like a 1 or 2 owner car. This thing is super duper nice. We'll take it down the little test track here, get a little acceleration run. Or if I'm zoomed in. Zoomed in or zoomed out? Let's have a hard time trying to decide on this phone. Always seems a little zoomed in. But watch this thing, y'all. This thing it'll get up and move. Strong. Strong. And that transmission shifts perfect. All the while, got freezing AC blowing on me. This is a well-maintained car out of North Carolina, it looks like. This is a trade-in at somewhere a little unusual that I haven't seen before. Some little random Ford dealership out in the country here in outside of Atlanta. they don't have very many cars here. I think they only brought like 2 or 3 trade-ins out here, where most dealerships always have at least a dozen, you know, or more. But yeah, I am certainly a bidder on this car tomorrow. This is a little diamond right here, just a jewel. But anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Someone took my spot that it went in, so I gotta figure out where to put it now. Like, comment, subscribe. We will see you guys with the next one. Peace.